Hey guys, welcome back to R&B Squad. You don't miss a girl,
Bree,
and you boy,
Bree, and together we are
the R&B Lovebirds, Lovebirds.
Okay.
But anyways, guys,
Jesus.
welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome to R&B Squad. Join the squad, man. Click the like button. You know what if you do?
Subscribe to the channel.
Click notification bell so you can be notified each time we post a video.
And
Tell him
And-
you tell him you not have to tell
guys,
him.
me not have to know. Watch the ads.
But anyways, guys, so come after the intro. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. As we just said before, and as you can see by the title, you don't know what we're up to. We're gonna show you a little thing, you know. I don't know, don't go. Don't capitalize more, don't go. When there's no good time, don't good time. Can't they say, don't even laugh there. And you still breathe. But anyways, guys, listen.
Yo, why are you straight for the point of
Right,
what
are you're bad company.
Anyways.
But anyways, here
Right.
again. But listen,
Yo.
this time. Hey, stop freak up with me, you know.
Alright, cool.
So, but anyways, we did not cut that out. You have to put it in the same way.
No,
No, you have to cut nothing yet. You have to keep it in the same way that we choose.
Okay, alright.
When I hide none from them.
Cool.
Right, they will say no very time we're in a real life video. But anyways guys, we're not straight from the topic. As you can see by the title, you don't know, so we're going to show now a little thing about how we monetize and we first check and all the runnings and how long it take we process. But before we get into all that, I know some of you viewers, some of them R&B Squad kind of disappointed. But you know if you're disappointed, you feel like you're disappointed. You know?
Me no disappointed.
You feel so?
I feel so too.
Yeah,
You know
because-
somebody did ask me one time to when you start post again.
Yeah, but the thing about it is we not hide we true relationship for one, guys. We want to see full rundown. When I come by and be like, we are all perfect and we all this. And then further down the road, each channel boom baps, blaps, just stop post again and it just stop post forever. No, if you're having problems, we try to work things out and as a couple and make sure so we finalize one certain thing as a couple, so we
learn to communicate.
yeah, we see one woman, we see one couple on TikTok where we did together for 90 years. So we had tried be like that, Yeah, we had tried. So we have really good issues with it with time and work them out.
And talk it out,
Right.
sort it out, get things straight, and work it out.
As it regards to monetization, say you need what?
You need
1,000
subscribers
and 4,000 watch hours.
Yeah,
And what the other one? Shots. How much those? 10,000.
10,000 shards. Or
10,000 or 10 million?
10 million.
One out of the two, you can research that on your own.
Yeah.
But as it regards, you're going to need those two. Post a video, interest your video there, watchable.
Yeah,
Although
yeah.
we not perfect, but we just
No,
try.
ain't, but
We
got the
still
work.
learn.
We were learning, but
Yeah. As we go along, we are learn.
Yeah.
As you go along, you learn.
learn too.
So we are trying to we not say we are bashing nobody
We
or
ain't.
do not know that, but we
Yeah.
are trying to upgrade on our postings and the time that we post and do stuff.
Yeah.
Right? In the process of posting, if you're trying to do YouTube at this time,
When I do every day, then it's a lot fun.
just have some fun because sometimes it's the fun that bring out the joy in other people.
True.
You understand? When you have fun, you bring laughter to other persons. Probably then see a genuine with have fun with your spouse, as in the couple content creator them, and you, we are watching video now. You kind of feel loved because we want to draw everybody in the community. We don't want nobody feel left out. If you're a part of our team or a squad, we don't want to feel left out. Comment in the comment section and be like, everything will happen over here, stay over here.
Stay over here.
We're not thin skin, we're not light skin, we're not dark skin, we're not nothing.
What?
Obviously, they get a mess. They get a mess. Don't worry yourself.
You always have something.
But anyways,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so feel free to drop something in the comments, you know, bite, when I have on. Drop in the comments, you know. Follow our socials. If you want, you know, if you want some video from us, you can.
Yeah, let's connect on our social, guys.
Follow us as in regards to content creating what you guys want to see from us.
Yeah.
Because, you know, only make we there, only make we do this. And you know the little thing then, right?
Yep. You know.
Right.
Comment on the comments, you know, socials. Also, you know, yeah.
And that is it as it regards to being, to connecting with people, getting people to subscribe, as long as they have fun. You know, the more people can feel comfortable communicating on your videos, it's better for you. So be open to other persons. You know, you're gonna have your negative comments and positive comments. You're gonna make some good friends. You know, you're gonna have haters.
Yeah.
Regardless. So it's the whole term leading up to monetization. Me, I'm actually telling you. Right. So everything that we discuss, feelings, all of that, posting, and you know, trying, learning as you go along. You can, you know, each time you go, you learn something. Right. Each video you post with your spouse, you love them probably around 5% more each time, because I have fun. We have fun, we have fun. Win-win.
It's a win-win, guys.
Right.
Yep. Yeah, so now we would like to show you our little, you know.
So basically, some people that say this is the first. This is their first
YouTube
paycheck. But, you know, as it regards to that, before we reach down to the paycheck part, this is the AdSense letter that you know, you get the confirmation, and then get, so you can get your money and you get your payment on the way. So this is where it comes down to the nitty-gritty. Right? All of you, when you get the 4,000 watch hour and your 1K subscriber, and your how much views, shots and the little way there, it comes down to this. So once you get this part, it's a additional milestone. Let me just say milestone. This is a big thing to us, you know. Really? As in, because remember we had a really bad problem getting this in Jamaica.
We did.
Like, we wait for the entire. That is the one of the reasons why we haven't been posting either. Yeah. Because we have issue getting this. So we have to wait one entire month. When me check, me don't know what happened. Me address keep on a change. Me address keep on a change every time I go. When me put this there and that day. So it's
and
like
them say they're here and we go check for it.
It's not
there.
So we have to request another one.
Yeah.
So until we get the other one. So we are here and we are back on YouTube because we're having some difficulties.
Yeah,
so
that's one of the reasons why we never did post.
Yeah. So as in regards to us being on YouTube, look out for some new videos and
some bagger.
Right, so we actually get all of that, the back information out the way now, so we can move along on YouTube. So I feel happy, so we get through, we passed this milestone, and we feel so happy. We reached this, guys. We should celebrate together, guys. Guys, right. So we want to celebrate with you guys. Hope you guys are happy for us. And we are happy that you're here to support us, so we could actually receive one of these. Thank you so much for your support, all the comments and the likes and the share. Thank you. Right, so we want to thank you from the bottom of our heart and to say we appreciate your support and the love that you show. Continue to share the video them as you post them, like them as you post them. Drop in a little comment so we can respond to and laugh and chat and connect. You understand nothing wrong with that?
Follow the socials.
Right. So as we come down now to the little money. To the little money. You know, say guys, we're not gonna hide and telling you, we're telling you everything. If you don't feel like you want to start on a YouTube channel, let's start on a YouTube channel. Yep. You understand? Please do. But you know, we just start out, we just reach the milestone here. So you know, so we're not gonna make No, we can't put it up on screen, you know, but you know.
Yeah.
You know.
You know.
A little bandangle is there.
Yes.
A little bandangle. We want to tell you no, but we don't want
You know.
tell you no, because apart from other people watch it, so. And it's not even that much, but you know.
You know, it's a start.
It's a start.
So if y'all are consider, you know, want to do YouTube, you can do it.
Right.
You know?
So,
just
and
be consistent, post the videos, good quality and everything, and you're good to go.
yeah, we still learn. So we have our PayPal if you want to contribute to our video equipments. We have our PayPal there as well. You can PayPal us and we will do our upgrade so we can get better video, or if you guys want better video from us. Alright? But
and you know, comment and let me know how we're doing.
right, how we doing, if you miss with how the storm. Comment down below if the storm was, you know, and how we be and how we do it in a good grace.
What, 2 storms after?
1 year.
Yeah, so comment, let me know how I do how the storm treat them.
I hope I don't know idle man out there next time, you know. God, you know, we know when the scientists say idle and nothing to do, you know. You know, when you don't eat and belly full and say, what we all do next?
What we do now?
Man, beat up or make storm.
Say,
create storm. Who would want to create storm?
Yo, we not in right mind. Love some people things wash away.
And it's it now. You know the thing is,
like really?
If they had this thing not now do for them, please.
For them, me say.
You know, come down the video. God don't upset this way. Guys, big up on yourself. I appreciate you guys so much for helping us within this milestone, and
thank you so much again, guys. We much.
Yeah, so we get all of the troubles out of the way. We're fully on YouTube, but our information is properly done, and we can go ahead.
Yeah, so just look out for my prank for it. Remember, guys, follow me on with socials. I even want to see me.
A friend you look, man.
Shut up.
A friend you
look.
look.
Want to see me prank Rick wickedest way. And you can tell me.
Guys, when you come over from the prank, tell me to hear. I'm not friend of looking at, but anyways.
A friend you are looking.
Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video.